Chef,
But
would
I
you like
said
the white
much.
chocolate?
Yes, I would love it. Oh,
More raspberry juice.
Stuff to sneak up on you.
delicious.
Okay, it's not bad.
Oh, no, I thought you were trying to. That's not bad.
At least I say
That's really good. Yeah, you're getting big.
What is that, huh?
This is chicken, and I'm seasoning it with salt and pepper, and I'm also going to add just a little bit of cayenne. Pepper's not coming out very well, but I'm getting a little in there. Oh, tap it on the booty. This is cayenne. I'm going to take it easy with this.
Yeah, please.
There. And I'm going to saute this around a little bit, and then I'm going to flip it over. I'm sauteing this with butter, with mandarin oranges, and then just a little bit of the tropical Topper's rum. Okay, a big bit. And now I'm just going to flip the chicken over. And I'm going to let it saute on the other side. And the mandarin orange is really cooking into this nice. All right.
I know, huh?
We'll now do coconut, please. Coconut rum. Here you go, chef. The
Coconut rum. Thank you, bartender.
Yeah, we're going to get all over and get back on the boat.
Yeah, I know it.
Because she told us to take ours first.
No, I don't want any more. I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're good?
Add some more rum to this. I like that.
That's really nice.
I put it all in there. Coconut. Oh, you can bring in a dog.
That's a requirement. It's rough here.
That's right. That's right.
You have a high tolerance.
Let's now do pina colada dipping sauce. This dipping sauce has sour cream as the base, cream of coconut, and pineapple chunks. Fresh or canned, up to you. Together with coconut rum and a little bit of salt, not too much. We're trying to get the saltiness from the cracker. The sour cream is the base. Sour cream is the base, cream of coconut, and pineapple
the
chunks.
sour cream
This is usually served with
sour
coconut
cream
shrimp
based
at the
coconut
restaurant.
roll. Oh my goodness.
Nice little dipping sauce for the coconut shrimp.
Y'all gonna love this.
Thank you.
Go right ahead, get as much as you want.
Thank you.
Oh, the big one. Get as much as you want.
I would have never thought of that.
And I'm a chef.
Oh, no.
Alright. I know, it's
Good.
sweet and savory. Even with some fruits, some strawberries, some pineapples, goes really, really good. That's some type of breakfast.
Good tip.
Now, did everybody get a cracker? Good?
That's delicious. Very different. Very unique flavor on a cracker. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Got the little butter
Good.
taste to it.
Sweet and savory. I love it. Alright, let's see both of them now.
Maybe you do that.
Coffee and dark chocolate equal parts.
What is that, banana?
Never too much rum, right?
A little. It's up.
Alright, Angie, we'll do Mocha Mama whenever you're ready.
Okay. Here's your mocha, chef. This is the mocha? Okay.
Perfect. Coffee and dark chocolate equal parts.
Ooh, that's so good. This the mocha is my favorite right here. The mocha mama. If you don't like coffee, you're not
Okay, I'll taste it.
Now that's good. The coffee is very mild. It's very mild. It smells really good. This smells wonderful.
All right, we'll do now the white chocolate, the Mocha Mama gelato.
Now, and who does mandarin oranges in the chicken? I mean,
I know, like an
it
orange chicken
smells
type of
so
thing.
good. It smells wonderful.
Well, you're cooking it, so you're doing amazing.
It smells so good. Yes. I'm going to do this at home.
Yeah, and I'll be the guinea pig. Right?
Okay,
Penny.
now, when this cooks down, it'll be ready.
Well, it's more coffee
As
though.
soon as this cooks down, a couple more minutes, this is going to be done. Here's the mocha mama gelato. Ooh, mocha mama gelato.
Coffee and dark chocolate.
Mm.
Okay, so you should
One That's delicious. I can really taste that coffee in there.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad, all right.
Is that an ice cream?
Yeah.
Is that like ice cream?
My daughter loves mocha ice cream. Like
I'm gonna dry this out just for this.
I don't drink coffee.
Right, I
But
understand.
it's really light.
Like taste.
Yeah.
You have dry ice? That's what I asked you.
This is just about done. Just let it dry out.
You did a good job.
All right, we're good on the gelato. I'm gonna grab your gelato there, please, Angie. Put it in the freezer. Thank you. Want to grab the last one for yourself?
Almost dry
Wow.
enough.
That's
Almost
a
there.
freezer.
All right, ready? Yes,
All
the chicken
right.
is ready. Let me get
Perfect
it out for
timing.
you.
Angie, I'm gonna have you serve the tropical rum. This is what she's cooking for chicken. Mango, passion fruit, and pineapple rum over here. Yeah, this is tropical rum. This is tropical rum. Tropical rum.
Oh, that's delicious.
know,
That's
right?
tropical rum. Oh my goodness. That's a situation.
This is the organic infused.
What's the tropical rum? Any one of them. Tropical rum. Tropical rum. Okay, I'm gonna take a
And what does that do? You can add it.
They like it with us.
Pour that over.
Yeah.
And what does that do? Clean it? Oh. Pour it over the
The
top.
glaze that she's doing.
Yeah, okay. I got you.
Amazing. No waste in the rum.
I see.
Oh, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Nice.
I know it does. I will pitch myself. Yeah. That's all right.
The Ritz cracker with
Yeah, that was good. That was Oh, was it? Was it? Yeah.
Angie, darling. One for you. Thank you. Penny, darling. One for you. These are hot, y'all.
Careful, it's hot. So let's try Angie's chicken over here. Amazing presentation. The glaze is perfectly on top. Penny's chicken.
Penny's chicken.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I said Angie. I'm so sorry. Penny's chicken. I'm so sorry.